Hello, this is Akshay Rai, and this time I'm going to explain you about symbol table generation. Okay, so what is a symbol table? Uh, It is a data structure containing a record of each identifier with fields or attributes of the identifier. The attributes may give the information about the storage allocated for the identifier, data type, and scope of the identifier. By using these records, each of the identifier can retrieve easily and quickly. So basically what it's telling is that whatever we have separated and during those token separation from the program, it will be stored in a table structure, or you can say that can be as a database. So where each element will be divided into separate parts, like they'll be either in a keyword identifier, special keyword, etc. So each column will be having those things. So this is what a symbol table is. So consider this as an input. Okay, so the symbol table would something look like this. So what are the IDs and data type, return type, initial value, etc. So this is how symbol table looks. Now let's see the program. uh, yeah, so I've created in Java. So initially I've just file reader I've first initialized. Okay, so that we can read from the file. Let me show you the file. This is the file. Okay, this is the consider this as a program uh, with spaces. Okay, so if it's not spaces are not put correctly, then it will consider this as a single element. So in my program it's better if we give space after every string. So this is the no, sorry, text file where we can write the program. Then mm, as you can see, I've initialized some variables which we're going to use. I've just initialized them. I Some may be extra also. So uh, I've just initialized them. We can remove if we know that we're not using these variables or something like that. Okay, so now I'm asking for the string or something. Let's see. Then after asking for the string, or you can say as the program, now I'm reading the program over here from this file symbol.txt which I just showed you. Okay, now after reading from here, I'll store those whatever in the file in this buffer, and then till the end of the file I'm reading and storing it in strings. Okay, those strings are separated according to either equal to or comma or spaces. So if the string is containing equal to, then it will be splitted and then it will be stored in this first array. Otherwise it will be stored in the second array, and if there is nothing and it's just separated by spaces, then it will be stored in the third array. Okay, now also input 2 contains double, or in this one add, like these are the keywords, consider them as a keyword. Okay, then we'll again split them and store it in another array, then print those arrays according to the required spaces. Now these required spaces are I print over here. Okay, that like for the column, this is the data type, this is the return type, and initial value, number of parameters, etc. And these are all with this tab space, right? So accordingly we can imagine and put the number of tab space we want. Then we can print each array, which arrays information according to what we are getting from here, and then it will come directly under these columns. I'll show you the output, just a minute. Otherwise if it is empty, then it will just show some other things. and also try catch exception has been done, so that if any error while reading the file, it will just show you the error. Okay, so this is how the program is written. Let's run this program. Yeah, now where is the file? So as you can see, this is the file, and now whatever is in this file is separated into a table and displayed like this. Okay, so what are the identifiers? A, B, C, facto. So facto, B, A, etc. Then what are the data types? Int, float are there, double is also there. Return type, okay, so facto's return type was double. Okay, now initial value, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's working successfully. So this is what my second experiment for my compiler lab was. Thank you.